If I think I say it, go. I think I say it, go. I got tons of my kid in your face.
Mr. Rock,
I
wake
got
up.
tons of my kid in your face.
Mr.
Don't let me.
Mr. Rock,
Don't let
wake
me.
up.
Don't.
Chris, wake up, Mr.
Yeah,
Rock.
Doc.
Be calm, it's just me, it's dark.
Yeah,
Relax,
Doc.
man, relax. Looks like we're having a nightmare.
Doc, from the incident, I have a whole heap of nightmare, man. It's like we can't sleep good, Doc.
Oh, I can only imagine. I'm so sorry to hear that. But I just came to check to see how you're doing today, how you're progressing and stuff. Are you feeling any pain in the area presently?
Yeah, I feel too much pain and all that, but it kind of go down a little bit, you know?
Oh, no pain.
Yeah, man.
No pain presently. Alright. I'm really sorry that this incident has happened to you. But I'm just giving you some updates that the turnaround time for recovery is going to be about 6 weeks presently. You should be back to normalcy by then. But don't worry about that.
Yeah,
what I want to tell you though is that you have a visitor.
Oh, with that mother?
No, not your mom. As a matter of fact, Will Smith is here to
Doc,
see
please,
you.
please, Doc, please.
Mr.
Doc,
Rock, Mr. Rock. Come on,
don't let
Mr.
him
Rock,
inside
Mr.
here,
Rock.
Doc.
He just wants to
Doc, I feel like he want to
apologize.
kill me. Don't let him inside here, Doc. Please, I beg you.
Mr. Rock, sometimes you have to take these things head on. I know
Really,
it's not
Doc?
the best analogy right now. Sometimes you have to take these things head on, Mr.
Doc,
Rock.
I beg you, don't let him inside here, Doc. Please.
Mr. Rock,
Doc,
I'm going to
I
let
beg
him
you,
in.
don't
I'm
let
going
him
to let him in. I'm going to let him in. That's what. Yo, da. Hug. Dog, you look so.
What do you mean, oh, me look, sir? Are you do me this, brother? What do you mean, oh, me look,
No,
sir?
brother, I don't mean to hear that. I can't the box of me box to your face.
How else me feel look?
Then I saw my hand powerful bomb, man.
Brother, where you come for? You come for kill me, off?
Really, brother, come for kill you. Why me that come
I
kill
don't
you?
want in here, brother. I don't want in here. Nurse.
Chris, easy on your voice,
Nurse,
man.
help.
Brother, easy on your voice for me thumping it. Yes. Sorry, brother, I never come for war with you. I come to talk to you and apologize for what
Brother, I don't want you tell me no sorry. I don't want you tell me no sorry because you know the plan, right? Me and you go through the plan.
Yeah, we didn't have a plan. We have a plan
brother,
and we talk
right?
about it and them things.
What is the plan? The plan was that me say,
Really, I want back to the plan
run
again?
some joke in a will. And of course, I have to call your name. But then me say, yo, I got call Jada name too.
Yeah, we talk
right?
about it.
So we say, yo, we just gonna laugh it off and we move on. That we say, don't.
Yeah, I'm supposed to laugh off of the joke.
Right.
But
So then you say now, say, alright, what if she not like the joke? So me say, plan B is that you just walk up and give me a box. But will a witch and me tell every box me with
we
will.
need if you understand the dynamic
We'll
between
be telling
me
the
and
left hand will, left hand. Your left hand not as powerful as your right hand because your right handed will and your box look at my face will. Will look at my face
Brother, you have
will.
to understand the dynamic of me and my wife
No, this is
relationship.
about that. We don't care about that, brother. Tell me to you and your ugly wife.
Really, brother?
Tell me to you and your balling ugly wife for you. We don't care about it tomorrow.
Brother, me and you know so the joke did funny and me there laugh. Brother, you know so the joke did slap my
The
Sorry,
joke
me
did
never
slap.
mean to say that.
The joke did slap. Wow, Will. Wow.
Never mean to say that, brother.
Wow.
Sorry, that was not my intention. Me never mean to say that. Sorry, that just come out wrong a while ago. But the joke did bad, man. Me and you there laugh. But brother, when me see she give you the face, and then she turn and give me the face, man, what more if you do? The whole idea and plan just fly out of my head, man. Me don't remember nothing. Me don't remember nothing, my youth. Me know somebody for walk on the stage and defend her. And me know somebody for box.
They are drink ensure and thing like me a little bit in my mind. Me can't have no food, me barely can talk. Right? See then now the role me get look like a Kevin Hart and I get the role with him short self. Right? Or probably a Michael B. Jordan cut my teeth up the whole of the black role. Can't believe this style because the man tap me little piece.
But brother, as me say, me never remember nothing about that, brother. All me know is
I
that.
don't want to hear no story from you. But you just come out. Come on,
Chris,
come on, man.
Chris,
You,
easy now,
but you
man.
just come
Me
out.
can't just leave, so I have to ask you a question. And if you can't answer that question, yeah, me can't go back home, so I have to stay
I
here.
need to what kind of question you want
Alright,
to
so the
ask?
question is, me don't know if you remember, when me did box you did see like my wedding ring did drop off cause me can't
brother?
find it and
Come on.
Jada said me can't
Come
and I
on.
had to find the ring.
Nurse! Nurse!